suggest you follow along using the passenger safety information card found in the seat pocket in front of you to acquaint yourself with the 727. Please note in this car your seat cushion may be used for flotation. To use it, pull your cushion from the back, place your arms to the straps on the underside, grasp it and fasten seatbelt signs located on the center regulation. These signs must be observed when they are lighted. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal tip into the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift the lever on the front of the buckle. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the quick release action of the buckle. Our flight today does not for smoking accommodations. Federal law prohibits smoking on the aircraft and provides immunity for anyone tampering with, disabled, or destroying a laboratory smoke.
Contact Chicago departure on 127.4. Okay, 27.4. Radio. Delta 497, give way to the United 727 ahead to your right, follow hand position, 27 left and hold. Traffic landing, 32 left.
Position on 127 left, traffic Delta 497.
Delta 497, turn left heading 220, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Left to 220, clear for takeoff, 27 left, Delta 497.
At 221 heavy, turn left heading 270, runway 32 left, T1 clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff heading at 270, 221 heavy. T-line 715, jockey inbound. T-line 715, clear to land, runway 32 left, wind 310. At 13, caution wake turbines departing heavy DC 10 T1 to braking actions reported good by 727. Clear to land 32 left, set up. United 630, taxi to position runway 27 left and hold traffic landing 32 left. Position all 27 left, United 630. 497, contact departure. 497, radar contact, line to maintain 210. Mark 661, cleared now to 210. Right on up 210. approach to maintain 4,000 and maintain speed 180.
Where are we going, boys?
Cincinnati, Ohio. There's Jimmy over
So
there.
497, turn right heading 140.
140.
Affirmative.
Approach 505 with you, descending to 7.
Landing gear.
Down in 3 green.
Flaps.
30 green.
Check complete.
Turn left next taxiway, contact ground point niner.
497.
Delta conducts itself just like an orchestra. Our pros work together to bring you an airline at its peak performance. Day after day, flight after flight. Delta puts beauty into motion every day. That's the Delta spirit.